It's traffic and so guys, we had to like come down from the taxify because there's like mad traffic to get inside the beach. So we had to come down and we're heading inside the beach. We're trekking actually. The baby girl is trekking. Okay, I think there's drink here. We can get drink. So guys, getting in here was actually not easy. I was very stressed out. Like I am very stressed out. But we are actually walking in. Sorry, I think you can you hear me? We're actually walking in. So we got like some random things. What? So guys, my friends are like calling and disturbing. I don't even know if my camera is clear. It's kind of dust, so my phone is dusty. But I won't lie, I don't want to work under pressure. Like I'm late actually. I don't blame them. I'm actually late, but I hope I see them. I hope we're able to link up. Meet my friend. Meet Amira. Amira is like extra fine. The worry you already. See your cheeks is full. See, meet Islamiat. A baby free, Joy. Fine girl. Amira, show them. Can you see my fine friend? Oh yeah, show yourself. I didn't want to. Tower. Not by phone, they calculate it. So far, we're waiting for our order. We order for small chops. Let me even gist you guys. We order for small chops. I don't want to call the vlog name because if I drag her, hey God. We order for small chops, so and it's not any like almost 20k small chops. And someone is joking with us. How many hours now? They've not ordered that small chops. Like since 1 o'clock, and this is 5 something, 5:25, and that small chops have not been delivered. And the day was 1 o'clock. Like because we're even not. So guys, we see small chops, no one chops. Rubbish! Nonsense! Don't know. We don't know the name of the brand, but this is nonsense. Nonsense! Small chops.